Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Reading Article. So before starting today's topic, subscribe my channel and like the video. My today's topic is overpopulation. What is overpopulation? Overpopulation is an undesirable condition where the number of the existing human population exceeds the carrying capacity of the earth. Overpopulation is caused by a number of factors: reduced mortality rate, better medical facilities, depletion of precious resources are few of the causes which result in overpopulation. It is possible for a sparsely populated area to become densely populated if it is not able to maintain life. Effects of overpopulation. Number 1, depletion of natural resources. The effects of overpopulation are quite severe. The first of these is the depletion of resources. The earth can only produce a limited amount of water and food, which is falling short of the current needs. Most of the environmental damage being seen in the last 50 odd years. Number 2, better medical facilities. Following this came the Industrial Revolution. Technological advancement was perhaps the biggest reason why the balance has been permanently disturbed. Science was able to produce better means of producing food, which allowed families to feed more mouths. Medical science made many discoveries, thanks to which they were able to defeat a whole range of diseases. Immigration. Many people prefer to move to developed countries like the US, UK, Canada, Australia, where the best facilities are available in terms of medical, education, security, and employment. The end result is that those people settle over there and those places become overcrowded. Difference between the number of people who are leaving the country and the number of people who enter narrows down, which leads to more and for food, clothes, energy and homes. The decline in the death rate. At the root of overpopulation is the difference between the overall birth rate and death rate in populations. If the number of children born each year equals the number of adults that die, then the population will stabilize. Talking about overpopulation shows that while there are many factors that can increase the death rate for a short period of time, the ones that increase the birth rate do so over a long period of time. The discovery of agriculture by our ancestors was one factor that provided them with the ability to sustain their nutrition without hunting. This created the first imbalance between the two rates. Degradation of environment. With the overuse of coal, oil and natural gas, it has started producing serious effects on our environment. The rise in the number of vehicles and industries have badly affected the quality of air. In the past 50 or so years, the growth of the population has boomed and has turned into overpopulation. In the history of our species, the birth and death rates have always been able to balance each and maintain a population growth rate that is sustainable. Since the time of bubonic plague in the 14th century, the growth of the population has been on a constant increase. Lack of family planning. Most developing nations have a large number of people who are illiterate, live below the poverty line, and have little or no knowledge about their family planning. Getting their children married at an early age increases the chances of producing more kids. Those people are unable to understand the harmful effects of overpopulation, and lack of quality education prompts them to avoid the family planning measures. However, none of these have made a dent on the population. Developing nations face the problem of overpopulation more than developed countries, but it affects most of the earth as of now. When we are talking about overpopulation, we should first understand the causes of it. Illness that had claimed thousands of lives until now were cured because of the invention of vaccines. Combining the increase in food supply with fewer means of mortality tipped the balance and became the starting point of overpopulation. More hands to overcome poverty. However, when talking about overpopulation, we should understand that there is a technological component as well. For thousands of years, a very small part of the population had enough money to live in the comfort. Technological advancement in fertility treatment. With the latest technological advancement and more discoveries in medical science, it has become possible for couples who are unable to conceive to undergo fertility treatment methods and have their own babies. The rise in the amount of carbon dioxide emissions leads to global warming, melting of polar ice caps, changing climate patterns, rise in sea level are few of the consequences that we have to face due to the environment pollution. So thank you guys.